Hello, teacher. I'm Thanayut Vinitphol. Today we would like to talk about topic my favorite country. So, my favorite country is Brazil. Yeah. Brazil is one of the country I really like. I'm interested in Brazil because it had beautiful culture, and I also like Brazilian food, festival, and the beautiful place in the country. One thing I really like about Brazil is Brazilian dance, like okay, something like that. I like Brazilian dance because it's colorful and exciting. I also like the atmosphere of Brazil. It seems like a country where people enjoy about music, dance, and I hope one day I can visit Brazil and see festival and try Brazilian food. That's all. Thanks for watching.